Pretty fucking dusty. Yeah. The only problem with this Ranger is this guy's fucking swole. It's all fuck. This guy's like been working out with Sylvester Stallone, and the Governor. Let's take a look. I mean, would it look like an even match? You know, we're just looks like this guy. Yeah, Red Ranger 10 times more taller. Not 10 times, but very, very much taller. Oh, you know what? I was gonna say I don't have him out in the box, but I do have a Turbo Ranger, Turbo Ranger and a fucking Zeo Ranger. I'll take out the Zeo Ranger because it's Tommy and so is the Turbo Ranger, but they changed in half season. We'll see. Okay. Hiya! There we go. So if I ever wanted to have, my Green Ranger versus the Red Ranger to reenact a couple epic battles, this is what we're talking about here, people. Feet, same length, boom. Hey, Dad, what's up? It's like, seriously, that's not good. They should remake these. Don't have to make them so swole. Of course you don't have to make them that skinny, but don't have to make them that swole, that tall. Make all these toys compatible at least, make them, they're all look for like they're from different planets and stuff. Yeah. I mean, for the most part, it's a pretty cool toy. It just sucks that if I want to face green versus red, it's not going to happen. At least it's not going to favor me because, I don't know if you know this, but I like the Green Ranger wearing green. I like the Green Ranger. Don't want him to get his ass handed to him. So that pretty much concludes the show of Power Rangers review. You get more of these on eBay and stuff. When I get the Green Ranger, you'll know, because I'll be happy as hell to open him and stuff and fight Lord Zedd. Power in the force ever.
They've got the ability to mold and to even up the score.
No one can ever take them down.
No one can ever take them down. The power lies on their side. Go, go, Power Rangers! Go, Power Rangers!
It was weird, I know. I wanted to do like a last little video at the end. And pretty much, you're still watching.